Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is lecture number 22 for grade 6 and I'm your science teacher Miss Sidra Zafar, and this is the revision of unit 1 humans and animals. Today we revise the topic 1.2 the heart. Here we will study the pages from your book. Yes, 1.2 the heart. Put your hand on your chest. Can you feel your heart beating? Why does your heart beat? Make a fist with your hand. That's how big your heart is. Your heart is found inside your chest, slightly to the left. It is protected by the ribs. Your heart is a special muscle. Its job is to pump blood through your body. The process is called circulation. Every time the heart muscle squeezes to pump blood, you can feel a heartbeat. It takes less a minute to pump blood to every part of your body. The heart does this all the time and never stops. The heart has two sides. The left side pumps the blood that contains oxygen all around the body, and the right side pumps the blood without oxygen to the lungs only. In this picture, you can see the right and left part, blood without oxygen and the blood carrying oxygen. The right part and the left part. Here is a question. You can find the answer. Why must the heart pump blood around the body? Blood is a red liquid that flows around the body in the blood vessels. Look at the inside of your wrist. Sometimes you can see the blood vessels through your skin. The blood vessels run from the heart to the lungs, around the body and back to the heart. The blood carries food and oxygen to all parts of the body. It also picks up waste products from the body and carries them to the organs which can get rid of them. The kidneys and the lungs are the two of these organs. The heart, blood vessel and the blood forms the circulatory system. You can see the circulatory system in this picture. The lungs, the heart, and the blood carrying oxygen from the lung, and the blood without oxygen has been shown in the blue vessels, and the blood with oxygen has been shown in the red vessels. You can see a network of the vessels in our body in this picture. Here are some questions. Please answer these questions. Question number 1. What does the heart do? Why does it do this? What is a heartbeat? Why does the heart pump blood to the lungs before it pumps blood to the rest of the body? Answer these questions and send me a photo clip on my WhatsApp number. Thank you so much, students. In the next lesson, we will study the heartbeat and pulse.